Unlock the secret powers of cloves, discover the surprising health benefits, ancient remedies, and culinary uses of this tiny, mighty spice. Cloves have been utilized for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking, valued for their analgesic, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties, and distinctive flavor and aroma. Cloves offer natural relief for various health issues, including digestive problems, toothaches, and respiratory concerns. Their antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties also aid in wound healing, skin issues, and boosting immunity. Cloves' bioactive compounds, eugenol and beta-caryophyllene, exhibit potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Studies confirm their efficacy in reducing pain, inflammation, and oxidative stress, supporting traditional uses in medicine and culinary practices. We explored the incredible benefits of cloves, a humble spice with mighty powers. From ancient medicine to modern cuisine, cloves offers. Incorporate cloves into your daily life to harness their powerful benefits. Use them in cooking, teas, or as a natural remedy. Experience the advantages of cloves for yourself and discover a healthier, happier you. Share your clove experiences, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips, tricks, and natural remedies to boost your well-being.